Our lesson is electrochemistry. In this electrochemistry, mainly three topics are there. One is about electrochemical cells, and second one is electrolytic cells, and third one is batteries. Clear? We completed electrochemical cells. In these electrochemical cells, chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy. Means chemical energy is say electrical energy produced. Means the spontaneous reactions can produce electricity from the reaction, that reaction used in electrochemical cells. Chemical cells. So chemical reaction will be converted into electrical energy. Now we are going to discuss electrolysis. Electrolysis. In this electrolysis, electrical energy will be converted into chemical energy. Electrical energy यहाँ पे chemical energy में convert. So why we use this electrical energy in the chemical reactions? Some chemical reactions are non-spontaneous reactions. In these non-spontaneous reactions, this reaction needs energy. We can give energy in the form of electricity. Then the reaction will be occurred and products will be obtained. In this electrolysis, we can pass the electricity from outside and the products will obtain at the anode and cathode. Anode पे product produce होगा, cathode पे भी product produce होगा. Means main intention is reactant react होके product को formation करना. ये product जो भी हो product anode cathode पे deposit और liberate. Solid substance होगा तो deposit होगा, gases होगा तो liberate release होगा. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे electricity पास करने के बाद ही chemical reaction होके product form होता है. तो ये electrolysis में importance ये है, टाइम को priority देना है, टाइम and quantity of electricity and quantity of product. ये three components are very very important. Time, quantity of electricity passed and the substance or the product obtained at the electrode and electrodes are very important. In this one, here electrolysis also having redox reaction. Electrochemical reaction also having redox reaction and lysis also having redox reaction. Redox means oxidation reduction. Two half reactions will occur in the electrochemical cell as well as electrolytic cell. Electrolysis is redox reaction. In electrolysis, electrical energy is transferred to chemical energy. The apparatus used for this is called electrolytic cell. केमिकल एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी को केमिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए जो ऑपरेटर्स यूज करते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल. When electric current is passed through an aqueous solution of electrolyte or molten electrolyte by dipping proper electrodes in the solution, this type of redox reaction resulting from oxidation and reduction at electrodes of products are obtained. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी एक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ले लो, एक वेसल ले लो, तो वेसल में इलेक्ट्रोड्स को डिप करके कॉपर वायर के साथ कनेक्ट करके बैटरी को कनेक्ट करो, तो उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होगा. तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होने के बाद इलेक्ट्रोड्स के पास प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. The result of this type of redox reaction is known as electrolysis. Means electricity पास करके different product को gain करने का जो process होता है वो electrolysis. Clear? And another one, if few drops of sulfuric acid added to distilled water and it is electrolyzed with inert electrode of platinum, dihydrogen is produced at cathode and dioxygen is gases at anode. Simple. एक vessel ले लो, ये vessel में H2O water है, but pure water does not conduct electricity through itself. That's why we can add some drops of sulfuric acid H2SO4 by adding sulfuric acid in solution behaves as electrolyte, because this H2SO4 will dissolve in water and forms positive ion and negative ion. After here, these two platinum electrodes are deeply this aqueous solution, and these two electrodes are connected with the battery. The two electrodes को battery के साथ connect यहाँ पे one electrode behaves as anode and another electrode behaves as cathode. Here anode and this one is cathode. This electrolytic cell, cathode anode having charges. Comparison with electrochemical cell. In this electrochemical cell, anode having negative side, here anode having positive side, and then cathode having positive side, here cathode having negative side. Simple. वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, यहाँ पे पास कर रहा है, बैटरी का चार्ज पे डिपेंड होता है, तो आयनोड का साइन यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव होगा, कैथोड का साइन यहाँ पे नेगेटिव होगा, इतना याद रखो, साइन ओनली अपोजिट, रिएक्शन एज यूजुअल, एनोड पे ऑक्सीडेशन ही होगा, कैथोड पे रिडक्शन. This one, this electrode behaves as anode and this electrode behaves as cathode. At the cathode, reduction will occur. At the anode, oxidation will occur. On electrolysis of water, H2O, electrolyzing by passing electricity, then two moles one mole of oxygen gas and two mole of hydrogen gas will be produced. अगर यहाँ पे वन मोल नहीं होगा तो हाफ मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन and one mole of hydrogen gas will be produced. At anode, oxygen gas will be liberated. Anode में oxygen air bubbles release होगा. Oxygen gas cathode पे dihydrogen gas. Dihydrogen gas, dihydrogen gas will be produced at different electrodes. Means by passing electricity we can electrolyze the water. Lysis means breaking. Electrode current, electricity. Lysis means breaking. The compound is breaked by the electricity. Means reactant passing of electricity, it will be breaks into different products. Means यहाँ पे water break होके dihydrogen gas produce हो as well as dioxide gas produce हो. Dioxide, dihydrogen gas will be produced by the electrodes. And similarly, by electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, sodium metal is obtained at the cathode and anode dichlorine gas will be liberated. So see, sodium chloride ले लेते हैं, sodium chloride melted means liquid. Liquid state में sodium chloride में दो electrodes लिख करके electricity pass करेंगे तो cathode पे anode पे chlorine gas liberated. So this is the general information about electrolysis. Lysis means breaking, electro means current passing. Right. Next here, Faraday's laws of electricity. Faraday's laws of discussion कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, means in this electrolysis reaction, compulsory we can measure how much product will be obtained and how much electricity will be needed and how much time will be required in this reaction. Means the time, how much time we can pass the electricity and quantity of electricity and quantity of product को measure करना है. That's why here Faraday given two laws. One is Faraday's first law and second one is Faraday's second law. Here, scientist Michael Faraday in 1834 established the following relation regarding the amount of the products obtained by the reaction and the quantity of electricity for usage. They are called Faraday's laws. Means quantity of electricity and amount of the product. इन दोनों के रिलेशन में Faraday's में कुछ लॉस बता दिए, वो Faraday's laws of electrolysis. First one is first law of Faraday's law. The amount of product produced at the electrodes by electrolysis are directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the electrolytic cell. Right. Here, first law of Faraday's first law explains the quantity of electricity passed through the electrolytic cell is directly proportional to the product obtained at the electrodes. So means weight of the product is indicated with capital W. W is indicated by what? This W is equals to weight of the product or quantity of the product. Quantity of the product is directly proportional to the passing electricity. Means the quantity of electricity. Here quantity of electricity is indicated with Q. Means Q is directly proportional to W. Means जितना हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करेंगे उतना product electron will produce. Passed electricity is directly proportional to the formed product at the electrode. This is the first law of Faraday's law. Quantity of electricity and quantity of the product. And second law of Faraday's. Second law explains if the different electrolytic cells, be careful, second law is very important. If the different electrolytic cells containing different electrolytes are joined in a series and same quantity of electricity. यहाँ पे observe करो different electrolytic cells, different electrolytes are joined in the series and passing the current is same quantity. The same quantity of electricity is passed through them. The amount of the products obtained at the electrodes are directly proportional to the its to their equivalent weights. To their equivalent weights. यहाँ पे observe. Second law of Faraday's, it explains when different electrolytic cells having different electrolyte and passing the same quantity of electricity in them, then the formed obtained product is directly proportional to the equivalent weight. So different electrolytic cell, different electrolyte सीरीज में रहेगा तो सेम क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास करेगा तो इलेक्ट्रोड में जो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होता है प्रोडक्ट का क्वांटिटी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इट्स इक्विवेलेंट. यहाँ पे सेम क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का रिलेशन नहीं होगा यहाँ पे सेम क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी then obtained product weight is directly proportional to its equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of the substance. This is the second law of Faraday. First law, quantity of electricity is directly proportional to the obtained product weight. Second law, weight of the product is directly proportional to the equivalent weight. Here series में रहेगा electrodes, different electrolytes रहेगा, different electrolytic cells होगा, same quantity of electricity pass करेगा. यहाँ पे weight of the product is directly proportional to its equivalent weight. And next one, here EQ is equivalent weight. Every weight of the product, Q is quantity of electricity. After the establishment of Faraday's law, in the starting years of 20th century, the knowledge about the electronic configuration of the atom was developed, and hence the basic information about the redox reaction could be obtained. During this, the concept of mole was also accepted. तो 20th century के बाद इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को डेवलपमेंट किया, उसके बाद मोल कॉन्सेप्ट को भी इन्वेंशन किया. तो after invention of mole concept, the Faraday's laws are modified according to this. The products obtained at the electrodes by the oxidation and reduction, the relation with the moles of the products and stoichiometry of the reaction and the quantity of electricity. Here, so this law is known as modern presentation of Faraday's. Modern presentation. Modern presentation of Faraday's law. Modern presentation of first and second law को after 20th century चेंज किया गया because of invention of mole concept. Mole concept की वजह से ये two laws को चेंज किया. चेंज करने के बाद जो प्रिंसिपल है, the products obtained at the electrode, see the product obtained at the electrode by oxidation reduction have the relation with the mole concept. Sorry, have the relation with the mole of the products and stoichiometry of the reaction. तो यहाँ पे जो भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करने के बाद जो प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन होता है, ये प्रोडक्ट का रिलेशन किसके साथ होता है? मोल एंड स्टोइकियोमेट्री ऑफ द रिएक्शन. स्टोइकियोमेट्री ऑफ द रिएक्शन मींस बैलेंस रिएक्शन. तो रिएक्शन को बैलेंसिंग करना है, तो रिएक्शन बैलेंस होगा तो मोल के साथ बैलेंसिंग करना पड़ेगा. So that is the modern representation of Faraday's law. Once again, the product obtained at the electrodes by oxidation and reduction with the relation of moles and its stoichiometry of the reaction, that is known as, and the quantity of electricity. तो यहाँ पे relation किस तरह है? Quantity of electricity, mole of the product, and stoichiometry. These three concepts with modern representation. First one is quantity of the product, quantity of product. Second one is quantity of electricity of electricity, and third one is stoichiometry of the chemical reaction. The products obtained at the electrodes by oxidation reduction have the relation with the moles of the products and mole of. यहाँ पे observe oxidation reduction means the products obtained at the electrodes by oxidation reduction have the relation with the moles of the products and stoichiometry of the reaction and the quantity of electricity. So product जो भी form होता है, the product obtained at the electrode, it is related with the quantity of product related with the quantity stoichiometry of the reaction, mole of the products, mole of the products, and mole of quantity of electricity. Means the quantity of product is dependent on these three aspects. One is mole of the product, stoichiometry of the reaction, quantity of electricity possible in the reaction. That is a modern representation of Faraday's law. Here, one example for this modern representation. That is here sodium, magnesium, and aluminum. Sodium having less oxidation state, magnesium having less oxidation state, aluminum having less oxidation state. And these, when we pass one mole of electricity, so one electron, here one electron, here also one electron. When we pass one electron, then sodium will take, inhibitors will take this electron and bomb one mole of sodium. Okay, less one, so one mole of electricity will be required. So one mole of sodium in this two mole of electricity was coming, one mole of magnesium, three mole of electrons pass over the one mole of aluminum deposit over here, cathode पे. One electron over the one mole of sodium, two electron over the two mole of magnesium, three electron over the three mole of, sorry, one mole of aluminum deposited on the cathodes. In case this Na plus Mg plus 2 Al plus 3 having in this solid electrolytes passing one electron only. One electron pass करेंगे यहाँ पे already sodium plus required one electron one more from, but magnesium Mg plus 2 needs two electrons, but we are passing one electron only. Then here 1 by 2 mole of magnesium will be obtained. Half mole. Two electron pass होगा तो one mole of magnesium form होगा. तो one electron pass होगा तो half mole of magnesium form होगा. Three mole of electron pass होगा तो one mole of magnesium form होगा. Then one electron form होगा तो one by 3 mole of 1 by 3 mole of aluminum form होगा. 1 by 3 mole. One electron means depend on the passing of electricity electrons in the reaction, mole of the product will be obtained. And here the quantity of electricity passing by one mole of electron is called 1 farad. 1 mole of electron. Here 1 mole of electron pass करे तो 1 mole sodium, 1 mole of electricity pass होगा तो half mole magnesium, 1 mole electricity pass करे तो 1 by 3 mole of aluminum form. And the relation between electrons, the quantity of electricity passing by one mole of electron is known as 1 farad. 1 mole of electrons is equals to 1 farad. 1 mole of electron is equals to 1 farad. Okay. Then the charge of one electron. Charge of one electron is equals to 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. C. Okay. The charge of one electron is equals to 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. But 1 farad is equals to how many mole of electron? 1 mole of electron. 1 electron is 1 mole of electron considered. Then 1 farad is equals to how many coulombs? Click here. The quantity of one electron is 1. The electric quantity of one electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. The electric quantity of 1 mole of electrons is electric quantity of 1 mole of electron is 1 farad is equals to यहाँ पे 1 mole of electrons. 1 mole of electron means I have got a number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज कितना है 1 मोल में इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना है वो गॉट नंबर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 6.02 10 raised to 23. So 1 farad we can convert farad coulomb में convert कर सकते हैं 1 farad is equals to this much of coulomb. Here 1 farad का वैसे इंडिकेट करते हैं 1f is equals to 96,487. इसलिए न्यूमेरिकल में प्रॉब्लम होगा इसको राउंड फिगर कर लो 96500 96500 coulomb 1 farad is equals to this much of coulombs. Okay, alright. Next, if I ampere current is passed through electrolytic cell, करंट को एम्पियर में मेजर करते हैं तो एम्पियर आई से इंडिकेट करते हैं. इफ I ampere current is passed through electrolytic cell for 1 second, the quantity of electricity coulomb Q in coulomb unit can be calculated by the following equation. ये important है. यहाँ पे देखो एम्पियर करंट I ampere current is passed through the electrolytic cell for t seconds. The quantity of electricity Q in coulomb unit can be calculated by the following equation. Q is equals to I into T. T always we taken in seconds only. तो न्यूमेरिकल में मिनट्स में देंगे तो मिनट्स को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना है. I means ampere current. So ampere into seconds time. Then quantity of electricity will be obtained. Q obtain करेंगे. Q किस में आएगा? farad coulombs में. Quantity of current in coulombs is equals to ampere into time in seconds. And here I is electric current in ampere, K is equals to time, Q is equals to quantity of electricity. Next, the amounts of the substance liberated at electrodes depend on the quantity of electricity passed. Clear? If quantity of electricity equal to 1 farad is passing, then 1 upon n mole of the substance will be liberated at electrodes. Means here, if quantity of electricity equal to 1 farad, 1 farad होगा तो then formed moles are 1 by n. 1 farad pass होगा तो 1 by n mole of the substance will be obtained. 1 farad will be passing and then 1 by n mole of the product will be obtained. These all will see in numericals. तो आपको ये सब याद होना है तो न्यूमेरिकल कंपलसरी प्रैक्टिस करना है. न्यूमेरिकल में आपको सब कुछ क्लियर होगा. ये सब ओनली फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस इज नॉट ओनली फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स. न्यूमेरिकल के लिए सब इंफॉर्मेशन है. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हैविंग हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स and what is farad, how we will calculate the charge and quantity of electricity, etc. Quantity of electricity Q is equals to I into 2. I is equals to ampere. Ampere into time, that is equals to quantity of electricity. Yes sir. यहाँ पे Q in coulombs होता है, ये important है. यहाँ पे when we pass 1 farad electricity, then the product occurring at the electrode is 1 upon n mole. n mole में mole को भी हम लोग weight में convert कर सकते हैं because n is equals to m upon mass upon molecular mass. तो molecular mass into mole होगा तो weight of the substance find out कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Next another one is efficiency of the इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल इज नॉट ऑलवेज 100%. तो कोई भी सेल का एफिशिएंसी 100% नहीं होता, तो उसको 100% परसेंटेज ऑफ एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द सेल, परसेंटेज ऑफ एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए प्रिंसिपल है एफिशिएंसी ऑफ सेल, परसेंटेज ऑफ एफिशिएंसी एफिशिएंसी ऑफ सेल इज इक्वल्स टू एफिशिएंसी को परसेंटेज ऑफ एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द सेल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए efficiency of cell percentage is equals to experimental value of product, experimental value of product, value of product and theoretical value of product, theoretical value of product. Single into 100 percentage इसलिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. The efficiency of cell is equals to experimental value of product upon theoretical value of product into 100. तो आपको efficiency of the cell मिल जाएगा 100%, 90%, 60%, efficiency. Now we are going to discuss one numerical based on this information. ये information एक बार ध्यान से पढ़ो, इसके बाद numerical को apply करो. Example numerical is in the electrolysis of aqua solution of copper chloride. In the electrolysis of copper chloride, copper is deposited on the negative electrode and the chlorine gas liberated on the positive electrode. Negative electrode में negative electrode में copper deposited, positive electrode में chlorine deposited, and chlorine gas liberated on the positive electrode at 800 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure. ये क्वेश्चन है. एंड नेक्स्ट हाउ मच कॉपर, तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन दिया, क्वेश्चन पूछा हाउ मच कॉपर एंड क्लोरीन गैस विल बी लिबरेटेड इफ 2 एम्पियर करंट इज पासिंग फॉर 1 hour. 2 एम्पियर, 2 एम्पियर करंट पासिंग 1 hour. Clear? The mass of the copper is copper molecular mass 63.5 grams and chlorine 35.5 grams. Next one, R is equals to ideal gas constant 8.0.0314 liter mole inverse Kelvin inverse liter mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Information means when you electrolysis the compound of CuCl2, then at negative electrode copper will be deposited, at positive electrode chlorine gas will be liberated, and find the quantity of copper and quantity of chlorine when they pass 2 ampere electricity till 1 hour. ये क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फैराडे में फाइंड करना. Q is equals to I into here Q is equals to I is Faraday 2 into time 1 hour 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes को second में convert करो into 60. Here that is equals to 7,200 coulombs. 7,200 coulombs electricity capacity means ampere को coulomb में convert quantity of the Q का information ये है coulomb, right? Then here 1 Faraday is equals to 1 Faraday is equals to 96500 is equals to 1 Faraday. Coulomb is equals to 1 Faraday. Coulomb को अभी Faraday में convert करना है तो 96500 is equals to 1 Faraday. Then 7200 Coulomb is equals to how many Faradays? तो cross multiplication over 7200 divided by 96500 that is equals to Faradays are 0.0755. 96500 is equals to 1 Faraday. So 7200 Coulomb is equals to how many Faradays? Cross multiplication 7200 upon 96500 that is equals to 0.075 कंपल्सरी फैराडे में कन्वर्ट करना है तो यहाँ पे कूलम मिल जाएगा कूलम को फैराडे में कन्वर्ट करना है मींस 1 फैराडे कैन फॉर्म 1 मोल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज अंदर इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट तो फैराडे जितना फ्लो होगा उतना मोल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा तो इसलिए इससे पहले इंफॉर्मेशन बताई 1 मोल ऑफ 1 फैराडे of electricity passes through the solution then 1 upon n mole of the product will be obtained and next here at occurring reaction occurring at cathode में क्या होगा reduction reaction होगा cathode here CO plus 2 H2 electrons from 1 mole of copper 63.5 gram will be deposited तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ Cu plus 2 copper plus 2 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करके 1 मोल ऑफ कॉपर को फॉर्मेशन किया मींस यहाँ पे 2 Faraday 1 electron is equals to 1 mole of electron is equals to 1 Faraday. Here how many moles are there? 2 moles of electrons are there. That's why 2 Faraday of electricity forms 63.5 gram of gram of here 62 Faraday forms 63.5 gram of copper. Then here 0.075 Faraday forms how many gram of copper अब डायरेक्ट इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो 0.075 into 63.5 upon 2 that is equals to 0.075 into 63.5 upon 2 that is equals to 2.38 gram of copper will be deposited at cathode. 2.38 gram of copper will be deposited in cathode. ये copper का weight find means first coulomb then Faraday then reaction number of electron 2 moles means 2 Faraday 2 Faraday हुआ तो यहाँ पे 1 mole of copper तो इतना Faraday होगा तो कितना copper deposited. Similarly क्लोरीन का भी फाइंड आउट करना है क्लोरीन का कितना होगा एट एनोड एनोड में क्या होगा 2Cl माइनस then ऑक्सीडेशन होगा तो 1 मोल ऑफ क्लोरीन प्लस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिलीज होगा यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे भी सेम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिलीज होगा तो यहाँ पे टोटल फैराडे ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पासिंग 0.075 होगा तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट मोल को फाइंड आउट करो तो मोल को फाइंड आउट करते हैं 0.07 divided by 2 that is equals to mole of the chlorine is 0.0375 mole. This is the mole of chlorine gas. So mole form of but we want to find the weight of the gas. The weight of the gas we can measure in liter. तो लीटर में मेजर करना है तो मोल है अपने पास n is equals to 0.0375 P is equals to NRP E का वैल्यू है R का वैल्यू है P का वैल्यू है तो V वैल्यू फाइंड करें P is equals to NRT upon P NRT upon P रहेगा तो V liters N का वैल्यू है R constant T also given in numerical 800 Kelvin and pressure 1 bar pressure then the value of V is equals to 0.9 3 by 3 liters. This is the calculation of products formed at the electrodes. फिर इलेक्ट्रोड कैथोड पे कितना कॉपर डिपॉजिट हुआ, एनोड पे कितना क्लोरीन गैस रिलीज हुआ. तो गैस ये लीटर में एक्सप्रेस करना है, इसलिए आइडियल गैसिफिकेशन को यूज किया. तो इसलिए टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको आर का वैल्यू दिया, प्रेशर का वैल्यू दिया, वॉल्यूम दिया, टेम्परेचर दिया, तो वॉल्यूम को फाइंड आउट करना. ये क्वेश्चन है, इसका सॉल्यूशन मेथड ये है. तो क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी find by this method, and this fluid will be covered 20 farad, then 1 farad, 1 mole of electron is equals to 1 farad. We have 2 farad, 2 farad of electricity will be this much of copper, then this much of farad will forms how much quantity of copper. So ये method we will discuss tomorrow. One numerical, other numerical, and products obtained by electrolysis. Very important chapter, highest scoring chapter है. Numerical पे focus करो. Numericals are very very important.